Hey, what's up, guys? Sean wanted to make a little video. I just drug this out of the woods and kind of cleaned her up a little bit. It was pretty, as you can tell, icy. It was cold, so we brought her in the barn here and we're drying her out. Got a little bit of sunlight here, so just keep rotating it. And what I'm gonna do is end up putting a bracket, homemade bracket out the CNC machine, made out of some high density plastic, and then one on this side as well. And what I'm going to try to do, being that this is pretty straight, I'm going to try to get my 2x4s, or what was going to be my support for this first cut. And we're going to go down, we're just going to take a nice little cut here, and then that's going to start off for the Alaskan Saw Mill to then plank these out and hopefully get a couple nice chunks out of here. So we'll see. Stay tuned. All right, so this is kind of the concept. These little brackets, made a couple little slots, and then these 2x4s I planed down to get them perfectly parallel. So then the point here is to get this level this way and this way. So then when your cut goes across, you'll have a nice beauty to then slug out the rest. Let's give her a shot. Never done this before, so let's try it out. All right, guys, this is kind of what it looks like here. You get these two brackets, and I just loosely put them on there, and then I'm going to take my level. I'm going to put a couple of plain boards down and see how it turns out. All right, guys, so we got excuse me, a couple of these little 2x4s, actually one 2x4 ripped in half and then planed down to 1.5 inches. I was hoping to get 1.5 inches square tubing. I don't have any right now, so I'm trying to make this work. So now I'm just going to measure the distance between there and the bottom of my plate, and then that cut right there at the bottom. So you can see, kind of in the shadow, that's how much will be taken off of that board. And these will then be, and you can see how straight they are, not too bad, but those will be my guide, both guides for the chainsaw mill to go across. But everything is level for the most part, and we'll just check that real quick. Throw it across like this from that one to this one, and you can see here they're pretty good there, and across this way, not the bad, not the worst, but not the best. And here, that's just going across this way, and here. So, and then pretty much we'll just send the saw right down there and get a couple of nice little chunks off this, hopefully. Alright, now we're over here with the steel. We got the Alaskan Chainsaw Mill, and as you can see here, it's got these little graduations. We need to set ours to 9 on both sides. Alright, now we got this baby set to 9 inches. 9 inches. Get everything all locked down. Our trusty square. Make sure everything's all squared up. We're good. Let's rock and roll. So my friends, I don't know if this is gonna work, but it looks like it just may. Let's give her a shot. Not bad. That was wet as heck. And that looks pretty cool. Looks really cool. I like it. Not bad for the first time. Maybe change up the blade a little bit. Definitely those bars were very, very wobbly. Did not like that towards the middle at all. Tell right in here. That's pretty cool though. It's fun. It's fun. So by the looks of these bad boys, I don't know if it was the brackets or how flimsy these 2x4s all playing down are. I don't know, but definitely didn't get a very good finish on there. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll have to go back to the drawing board and possibly get maybe put 2 of these, reinforce 2 of these, or possibly make it out of steel. I don't know yet. And then definitely make these out of steel. Definitely, because those are way too flimsy for what we're working with. Kobe, stop eating the sawdust, you goofball. So, I don't know. We'll see. I know that son of a gun is a bad mamba jamba there. That thing is a rock star. But, and all in all, the brackets and everything worked. I mean, you go and put the, put that level on there. Let's see here. Put that level across this bad boy here. And we are practically dead nuggets. So, I mean, for the most part, a little light there in the middle where she bows and she comes up, but I might have to turn the chainsaw the other way too, and maybe, I don't know, and see that way, but looks very cool. Even with that, I think it looks kind of cool. But let's see. Chop a couple more off. See if the next one's a little bit easier. What's up, guys? So, pretty much to wrap this video up, this thing worked pretty darn good. The chainsaw worked excellent. The log was very straight. It just did not do very well with the 2x4s that I had made. Brackets seemed to hold up pretty well. But for the first time, wasn't bad. Yeah, for the Alaskan Saw Mill, it worked amazing for the first time. Hopefully you'll get some reinforced brackets on there and some guide rails or whatever for that bad boy there. But we'll see. All in all, I love it. Have a good day. Stay tuned.